Hey, Craig here, Diggs Rod Shop, and it's time to grab a cup of coffee and walk through the shop to give you guys an update on these projects that we're working on. But yesterday was 72 degrees and sunshiny. Look at this. This is ridiculous. But that's Iowa for you. I can tell you that right there. 1 minute it's sunshiny and the next minute it's snowing. So that's okay. It can get it out of its season, or get it out of its system, because it's springtime. Follow me. Well, we've got the little 36 coupe here. It come back in for a little bit of a shakedown. We got some videos of that, and we'll throw those up there. But a few adjustments. Trying to think anything major. Just really some adjustments on it after they put a couple hundred miles on it. But it's ready to head out of here. It isn't going to head out of here today because it's snowing. Follow me over here. Excuse me. Still got that little hacky cold, you know, from Iowa. 32 Ford, been cleaning up on it, and I've got the hood and the sides back down on it. Took it out yesterday. That thing is just performing. I'll do a video on that, and allegedly that thing will just smoke the tires all the way through second gear now. So anyway, that's the 32 Ford update. She's looking good. I'm doing some polish work to it. I'll do a new top on that one there, and I'll do a video on me putting that top on there. So we're back at the shop. Got the little F100 covered up here. We did the videos the other day of, I don't need to take that off. So we did the videos the other day of this thing out getting pictures. David with Mecum Auction was getting pictures of it. So we got her sitting in here, all cleaned up. Should be ready to go to the auction here in a few weeks. Just aren't getting back on the old 48, but we will. All right, remember what we were talking about on this Torino? They don't make some of these parts for this thing, and we had to order some, and we put it up on the last video. Got them from Colorado. They came yesterday, and here's what we got. This is that front rail and that torque box system. So there it is. JJ's getting it all cleaned up, but that was pulled off of a car out in the junkyard in Colorado. Come on around here. You can see right here, that's that portion right there that he's getting ready to mock up in there. He's got to get it all cleaned up. You can see he's taking all the parts and pieces off of it that he does and doesn't need. So with that said, that's going to get done too. I think there's another couple parts around here. I know there is, because we have the outside of this inner fender well. We got one of those too, and I think I'll probably follow it on the, or run into it on the tour here. But anyway, we've got one of those for it also. Come on around here. I don't see it. It's probably still back here. Let's go on back. Nope. Don't know where it's at. Doesn't really matter. Let's back up here. So you guys remember the GTX, and I will put in the top right-hand corner here what we did for this thing, or did to it. It came in, and it had some cracks in it. So come on over here, and I'll show you. I'm not going to lift the tape because they're sealing the windshield back up again. But right here, it had a crack, and it had one on the other side too. And what we found out, it's literally a factory deal. And you know, look up in this corner right here, and you can see it. We had to dig all that out. It was leaded in, and the weld comes together there with the body, and the windshield pillar comes together right there. And had to take the lead out of it, weld that back up. Cassidy TIG welded that back up. A little bit of filler, put it back together, and voila. It is now repaired and ready to go back to the customer. So there you go. That's that 67 GTX. You can see behind me here, we've got a video on this Cadillac right here, but it's headed into the body area. That drip rail, you can see that's all been done. All the sheet metal's done on this car, and Brad is getting ready to do some body work and put this thing in epoxy. So the next video that you see, this thing should be in epoxy. I'm going to pop the hood, set my coffee down here. Remember we did those videos the other day with David there at Mecum Auction. Now this car right here, I mean, it's done, it's ready to go, and you can see just some of the beautiful work in there. A lot of chrome on this thing, that's for sure. Even the battery box is chrome. Brand new 383 stroker from Blueprint Engines. Brand new 350 turbo hydromatic, well, rebuilt, but it's all brand new internals in that thing. From Advanced Transmission in Knoxville, Iowa. This one, this car, I believe, has a 308 rear end. Cruises down the road beautifully. Brand new radiator, brand new AC setup in this thing. I mean, this car is literally, the drivetrain on this is brand spanking new. Matter of fact, that engine comes with warranty. It's got a cooling components fan on it. We've cycled that so many times. That thing was sitting out the other day. I know it wasn't hot out, 74 degrees. Comes on and comes off at about 180, 185. So that's going to be perfect for cruising. So with that said, this car is just gorgeous, and it's headed to Mecum auction. Let's take a look at the interior. Nicely done. There's maybe a few years on this interior, but it's all been restored. Tilt wheel in there, air conditioning, nice little console. Just a beautiful little car. This is going to make somebody a really, really nice Tri-5 right here. It's got all the chrome. It's got all the, it's got the hockey stick on it up here on the fender. You can see that. The flippers work. The flippers right here, if you guys know anything about these 55s, check that out. Isn't that neat? Custom wheels on it, brand new. 17s on the front, 18s on the rear. Gorgeous little car. That's going to last somebody a lifetime right there. Follow me over here. Now, I do know, remember I was telling you guys about this transmission on this Hudson? Well, there's the transmission, and it's just like, ugh, it's busted and broken. And I know that Chuck the other day has brought us another transmission from a friend that he had in the Hudson Club. So if you take a look right there, Shane's already got that transmission in there and started working all the governor on it and the overdrive on it. He's worked through all that. So this thing ought to be running and gunning this week. Although it's snowing outside, I don't think you want to drive it. But he's getting that put back together. So anyway, you guys see the 55. It's just about to head to Texas. So the owner's getting that set up with the transport, and that's going to be out of here. But anyway, this is Craig with Diggs Rod Shop. That's our shop tour for today. I'll go over and grab my John Wayne cup, and I'll see you guys on the road or in the shop. Signing out.